Good day, and today I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Gorin, and I love life. Life is a miracle of the universe, a coincidence and a wonder. Being alive is already a joy and reverence. Look at this stone. Look at this beautiful stone. Look at this stone. Do you think it's happy? Most likely not, because it's not alive. And look at this slightly bigger stone. Do you think it's happy? Most likely not. Bigger doesn't mean happier. I digressed from a main topic, not without reason. I studied to become a geologist and worked in that field for about 5 years. I have a collection of stones, and significant portion of them is from the Caspian Depression. Geology is so excited. Are you interested in what this path taught me? It's about sequences, progressions. Allah created the earth as we see it now progressively over 6 days, not in a second and all at once, even thought he could. Geology shaped the earth over 4 and 6 billion years. Rush if the devil's play thing in any business. I've been becoming a programmer for about 10 years. It started with a thought, then intention, and then action. The stage of action has been ongoing for 3 years already and will not stop until the end of my days. I finally decided to dedicate my entire life to electronic machines and interacting with them. Due to my inclination towards creativity, I embraced on the path of a front-end developer because there is a lot of room for imagination and creation in it. In my opinion, an additional advantage of this profession is JavaScript, which allows you to easily write anything from a calculator to launching space rockets, provided you have the knowledge and motivation. However, it has a problem with mathematical calculations, so most likely the rockets will fall and the calculator won't calculate correctly. In 3 years, I've developed a dozen projects of rising complexity. My favorite and first one of them is the visualization of a programmer's journey from a novice to a master. The idea was to take an image and render it in code, while also adding links to a resource I will use in the future. Admittedly, due to lack of experience, it involved a lot of trial and error and expended efforts. But I don't regret it. Some days I will improve it in the best possible way. My latest project is a test assignment for a new job, an online store using Vue, Vuex, and IP requests. It turned out quite well, and I enjoy working with Vue. And finally, a joke. What's the similarity between a good programmer and a rock? Both of them find their sign in laziness. Thank you.